Alright, so today I'm working on my dad's car. His turn signal on the driver's side with the heat separated. So I gotta pull this one off, switch them out. I'm gonna switch out both. They're like 35 bucks on eBay, so might as well get them both off. Pretty straightforward actually. Just a clip right there, and then just pops forward. So this one's I already have this one loose. That's just two clips, one right here and one over here, and that's it. So switch it out, see how it looks. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it just clips in, so now I gotta do the passenger side so it matches. Oh, actually this one was already on its way out, so look at that. Yeah, that one just already separated. One for the passenger side, this literally just slips in right here on this side, and I mean literally just clips in. There you go. Lined up the top, and that's done. Pretty much done. I just gotta put the clip back in on that side. I think once my dad sees it, he's gonna want to replace the headlights. Cause yeah, that's pretty noticeable.
One eternity later.
What is going on, everybody? Back to working on my dad's Camry. A week ago, I replaced the corner lights on his because they're messed up, and since they look so different from the headlights, we went ahead and ordered some new ones. So we're putting on those first. I'll be putting on those now. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the passenger side. So this bulb's completely out, so if I don't get to finish right now before he takes off back home, I'll at least have two working headlights. So starting the passenger side for now. Looks like it's just two 10mm bolts, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so it's not only these two bolts. There's actually one back here. Parking lamp, side lamp, turn signal, whatever you call it, has to come out, and that way I can get to the bolt behind there. And there's that bolt I had to get to. So let's see. Let's get her done. All right, so here's the new one, and here's the old one. I'm pretty much ready to go in. Just gotta pop it back in. So yeah, let's see how it comes out. There's the opening for the old one. Literally just pops right back in its place. Just gonna line that up, push it in, and there you go. It's pretty much in. Yeah, that lines up down there. That lines up. Just gotta plug it back in, and yeah, that's already a big difference. Bolts are back in their places, and that one just snaps in.
Meanwhile. Inches later.
Yeah, a quick little break. Recovering that car. That person that ran out of gas. Anyways, onto the driver's side. Come on. Get out. There you go. And there you go. There's the old one. So yeah, here's a new driver's side one. I'm gonna do the headlight adjustment at night after they're on. But yeah, pretty much almost done. Boom. It's already clipped in. And just pop this back in and boom, you're done. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like. If you have any comments, drop them down below. But yeah, that's it for now. Nothing too crazy. Got a lot of rain. It's humid as hell. That's why I'm not on camera, because I am sweating like a... Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.